I'm bullish on XRP, and potentially so are the Asian markets. The latest news coming out of Korea is that Gen Zs are no longer looking at altcoins per se. They're looking towards XRP. Let's get straight into the reasons why and have a look at the article that they have brought out. Now, a report from a local South Korean publication found that 20% of Gen Z investors in the country are already holding XRP. And this is actually, in fact, the most selected cryptocurrency. This is an interesting story. Now, Gen Z crypto collectors invest in South Korea. They have the adoption rates, the amount they are investing is on a sharp increase. And why is this? Now, News One Korea analysed crypto exchange BitHump's investment data from the first half of this year, particularly keying in the investment prosperity stage and ages. It found that investor groups in their 20s showed a more aggressive investment tendency than any other age groups. Moreover, Gen Z investors showed a higher proportion of investments in altcoins than Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are classified in the study as both long-term and stable investments due to their relatively low volatility compared to the rest of the markets. Now, according to the report, 82.5% of investors in their 20s invest in altcoins, excluding Ethereum. XRP, like we said earlier, was the most selected, with over 20% holding the digital asset. Now, on the other hand, the study out of South Korea found that the age group with the highest percentage of Bitcoin and Ethereum investments was people in their 30s. Take that information as you want it. But what I will say is the emphasis on Gen Z, and meme coins is no longer the case in some Asian countries and markets. There is a swift, absolute push over into things with utility, and we are seeing that with XRP. But how is this affecting the price? We have seen the breakdowns across numerous ranges across this channel, and the current price of XRP is 51 cents. Now, for me, the key price point for me is 49 cents. And if we can stay above that, I predict us to really test the upper of the following ranges in the coming weeks. And if we can't test it, we could see a 41 cent XRP. This is going to be determined on multiple factors. There's multiple news stories, and of course, the blooming court case that is going on with all of that kind of stuff. But this is an interesting thing when we talk about the court case. 2 more US SEC attorneys have withdrawn from the case. Now, yesterday, you'll remember me making a comment. Okay, 1 person left, people leave jobs, people do whatever. But 2 more have left. What are the reasons for this? Yesterday, I was saying people might get a new job, they might retire. Frankly, they might have had enough of that job and be going on a long vacation, whatever. But for 2 more to leave, there's going to be some more smoke behind this. We cannot wait to see what is going on behind closed doors. Clearly, something is happening. Don't let people kid you. The amount of attorneys that have currently left in the last week is eye-opening for this case. Let's keep on track with this and see what's happening. And this comes on the eve of BRICS adding more nations into its group. Congratulations to Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and of course the United Arab Emirates for joining this fantastic group. Now, what is this fantastic group and what is their aim? I mean, one of their main aims, in my opinion, is the de-dollarization, the shifting of the power between the US into the BRICS. And BRICS is, of course, an acronym for the starting countries for this group that were coming around. Now, the question is, will a new global reserve or new currency threaten, historically, how the world looks? This, of course, will excite an awful lot of XRP holders. If you're passionate about blockchain technology, you're passionate about the way that it interacts globally, and people are coming away from the US dollar, it's time to get excited. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's very brief, but I wanted to bring you the latest crypto news. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, drop me a comment, and please do subscribe. And most importantly, let's go.